Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start an LLC with LegalZoom. First, all you need to do is to go to their official site and then click the drop down button of the business and go to Limited Liability Company. Now it'll turn into this page. Now after turning on to this specific page, all you need to do is to select a specific plan. You can start with a basic for $0 and a pro for $249 with a premium of $299 plus the state filing fees. Click on Form My LLC. Now from here, they're going to ask you, what's the name of your business? All you need to do is to input a specific name and click on Next. Now from here, provide a specific state where your business is located. From here, all you need to do is to provide your specific email and your phone number, which is just an option, and click on Next. From here, all you need to do is to input what kind of industry is your business, and then hit Next. From here, let's keep your LLC compliant to avoid setbacks, which includes the compliance filings, business license, and permits. Click on Next. And then from here, all you need to do is just simply select a plan. It'll automatically add a license and permits. From here, all you need to do is to take my included trial. Click on Select and click on Next. Now it'll automatically assembling your package. All you need to do is to continue on to checkout. And all you need to do is to provide your payment information enabled for you to create your limited liability company. And that's it. That's how to start an LLC with LegalZoom. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.